In this podcast episode, Dr. William Lee, a physician and researcher, emphasizes the importance of incorporating immune-boosting foods into our diets to enhance our overall health and resilience against diseases. In his work, he highlights the power of certain superfoods, such as blueberries and broccoli, in supporting our immune system and promoting optimal health. Blueberries, with their vibrant blue color due to the presence of anthocyanins, are potent activators of the immune system. Consuming blueberries can elevate the levels of T cells and natural killer cells, essential components of our immune defense. Regular consumption of blueberries can significantly boost immunity and reduce inflammation, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Broccoli, another superfood, contains sulforaphane, a natural compound that enhances T cell function and strengthens the immune response. Including broccoli in your diet, particularly the stems and broccoli sprouts, can provide a significant immune-boosting effect. Studies have shown that combining broccoli sprouts with the flu vaccine can amplify the immune response, offering added protection against infections. Incorporating a variety of foods rich in polyphenols, such as red grapes, tea, and fruits, can have a profound impact on gut health and microbiome balance. Polyphenols act as gut modulators, influencing the composition of beneficial bacteria and promoting a healthy digestive system. By consuming a diverse range of polyphenol-rich foods, individuals can support their gut microbiome and enhance their overall health. Dr. Lee also is a strong advocate for the health benefits of black seed. Black seed, also known as black cumin seed. He highlights its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ingredient for athletes and individuals looking to boost their immune system. Black seed is known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it effective in reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Dr. Lee has seen firsthand how black seed can help athletes recover faster post-play and reduce viral loads, leading to fewer instances of illness among his clients. He recommends a daily dose of black seed oil for maintenance, with higher doses for athletes post-game or when feeling under the weather. He also incorporates black seed seeds in his culinary creations, adding a peppery flavor to dishes. While the taste of black seed oil can be intense, he suggests mixing it with honey to make it more palatable. Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of personalized nutrition, noting that what works for one person may not work for another. He highlights the example of coffee, which can be beneficial for some, but trigger autoimmune responses and inflammation in others. Understanding one's unique dietary needs and sensitivities is crucial in optimizing health and performance. To determine individualized nutrition needs, Dr. Lee recommends starting with tests such as blood testing, gut testing, and sweat and spit analysis. These tests can provide valuable insights into how the body responds to different foods and ingredients. For those unable to access testing, he suggests starting with ingredient spotlights and experimenting with minimal effective doses of specific foods to gauge their impact. One of Dr. Lee's key strategies for optimizing health is the gut reset protocol. This protocol involves a fasting mimicking phase followed by a week of nutrient-dense foods to help reset the gut and identify potential food sensitivities. By documenting their experiences during the protocol, individuals can gain valuable insights into how their bodies respond to different foods. The gut reset protocol is designed to remove inflammatory foods and provide a clean slate for assessing dietary needs. Dr. Lee recommends following the protocol before making significant changes to one's diet, as it can help identify underlying issues and inform future dietary choices. The protocol can be especially beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic health issues or seeking to improve their overall well-being. Dr. Lee's journey into the world of superfoods began with his own health struggles. Suffering from chronic pain and migraines, he decided to make a change in his diet. By eliminating gluten, casein, and soy and adopting a paleo diet, he experienced a significant improvement in his symptoms. This led him to explore the power of nutrition and eventually launch his own business focused on providing personalized paleo meals to clients. Liver, particularly chicken liver, is one of Dr. Lee's top superfoods due to its high nutrient content. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and iron, liver offers a wide range of health benefits. He recommends incorporating liver into your diet through dishes like liver tacos or liver pate for a flavorful and nutrient-packed meal. Tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, is a staple in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine. Dr. Lee praises tahini for its nutty flavor and versatility in both sweet and savory dishes. Whether used in dressings, dips, or desserts, tahini provides a rich source of magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Dr. Lee recommends incorporating medicinal mushrooms such as cordyceps, shiitake, chaga, reishi, and lion's mane into your diet for their immune-boosting properties. These mushrooms offer a range of health benefits, from enhancing endurance and performance to supporting gut health and regulating the nervous system. He suggests cooking with mushrooms like shiitake and lion's mane to enjoy their unique flavors and health benefits. Dr. Lee recommends incorporating superfoods into your diet to support mitochondrial health. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense food that provides collagen, amino acids, and minerals essential for gut health and nutrient absorption. Consuming bone broth regularly can nourish your gut and improve overall digestion. Another superfood Dr. Lee suggests is fiber. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a significant role in mitochondrial function. By consuming fiber-rich foods, you can support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and enhance nutrient absorption. Organ meats are also highly beneficial for mitochondrial health due to their rich nutrient content. Organ meats contain essential vitamins, minerals, and coenzymes that support mitochondrial function. Incorporating organ meats like liver into your diet can provide your body with the necessary nutrients for optimal mitochondrial health. Dr. Lee highlights 3 common foods that can negatively impact mitochondrial health: wheat, soy, and corn. These foods are often processed and stripped of essential nutrients, leading to imbalances in the diet. Consuming excessive amounts of these foods can contribute to insulin resistance, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome, all of which can impair mitochondrial function. Seed oils, such as canola oil and corn oil, are another culprit when it comes to damaging mitochondrial health. These oils contain high levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which can disrupt the balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats in the body. An imbalance in these fats can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and other metabolic issues that can affect mitochondrial function. Lastly, sugar is a major contributor to mitochondrial dysfunction. Consuming high amounts of sugar can lead to insulin resistance, diabetes, and obesity, all of which can impair mitochondrial function. Dr. Lee advises reducing sugar intake and opting for whole, nutrient-dense foods to support mitochondrial health. In addition to diet, Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of lifestyle factors in supporting mitochondrial health. Exposure to toxins, such as pesticides, heavy metals, and formaldehyde, can damage mitochondria and impair their function. Avoiding exposure to these toxins and adopting detoxification strategies can help protect mitochondrial health. Regular exercise is another crucial factor in promoting mitochondrial health. Physical activity can improve mitochondrial function, increase energy production, and enhance overall health. Dr. Lee recommends incorporating both aerobic and strength training exercises into your routine to support mitochondrial health. High-intensity interval training can stimulate mitochondria to consolidate and increase in size, leading to better energy production. However, overexercising without adequate recovery can lead to mitochondrial breakdown. Sun exposure and light exposure are also essential for mitochondrial health. Natural sunlight provides vitamin D, which is crucial for mitochondrial function and overall health. Spending time outdoors and exposing yourself to natural light can help regulate circadian rhythms and support mitochondrial health. One of the key findings of Dr. Lee's research is the association between omega-3 levels and longevity. People with higher omega-3 levels in their blood are less likely to die prematurely, highlighting the importance of incorporating omega-3s into the diet through sources like fish or supplementation. Omega-3s have also been linked to mental health, particularly in the context of depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that higher omega-3 levels are associated with a lower risk of developing depression. Supplementation with omega-3s has been found to decrease symptoms of depression, with EPA showing potential benefits in this regard. Research has shown that omega-3s can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and dementia. People with higher levels of omega-3s in their blood have been found to have a lower risk of developing these debilitating conditions. Omega-3s have also been shown to lower blood pressure, particularly when consumed in higher doses. They can improve the flexibility and health of blood vessels, leading to a reduction in high blood pressure. Another key benefit of omega-3s is their anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce chronic low-grade inflammation in the body, which is linked to various health conditions such as heart disease, dementia, and cancer. Omega-3s are also effective in lowering triglyceride levels in the blood. They can block the production of triglycerides in the liver, leading to a reduction in these harmful fats in the bloodstream. Dr. Lee explains that humans are not efficient at converting ALA, a plant-based omega-3, into EPA and DHA. While some animals can thrive on a plant-based diet, humans have evolved to rely on fish as a primary source of these essential fatty acids. Especially oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of EPA and DHA. Consuming 1 to 2 servings of oily fish per day or taking fish oil supplements can help maintain optimal omega-3 levels in the body. Dr. Lee recommends consuming oily fish at least 3 times a week and taking fish oil supplements to achieve an optimal omega-3 index. A combination of dietary sources and supplements can help ensure adequate intake of these essential nutrients for overall health and well-being.